How to turn off location on X or Twitter account. Let's get started. First up, you'll need to disable location in your device. For that, launch your settings. Then scroll down, navigate to the option of privacy and security. Click on the option location services and disable for this option of location services. After you do that, close this. Launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. At the top left, you will find your profile picture. Click on that. Now navigate to the option of settings and privacy. Open it. Now head over to the option privacy and safety. Open it. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of location information. Now toggle off for this option of personalized based on places you have been. Likewise, click on the option of precise location and then set it to disable. After you customize all these settings, you'll be good to go. This is how you can easily turn off location on X or Twitter account. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.